Hello guys, so today we're in night mode on Gorilla Tag. By the way, I have a so don't mind me coughing. So, yeah, my name's J-Man Curly right now. I'm not J-Man Curly, the claimer. So it is actually night mode on April Fools. So I'm gonna have to update tomorrow to take this mask off. And it's annoying guys, as you can see there. You can see like the white out trace I think. But still. So see by Transfer Lucio run today. You hurt me right. Yeah, I only have 200 because I was trying to actually beat J-Man Curly. I have party hat. I'm gonna put that on. Let's go and see how stupid I look. Yeah. Let's get into some public lobbies and start doing some stupid shit. The hell? Oh yeah. So the 4 pressure pointers. Your stomach, here on your stomach, wrists here, as you see, all the way up to here, and your head also. Press option 1. See what I look like as J-Man Curly with the mask on.
They can be. Wait, this where you go catch kids?
The hell? Yes,
What the fuck?
I'm not really J-Man Curly.
April Fools, be back for me. What the?
No.
Guys, I'm punching stuff.
I can't take it off. Don't let me take it off. No.
Why does it look so...
Whoa! What just happened?
You got April Fools?
No.
I need something to eat.
No, my arm got stuck. That's what
Guys,
happened.
in this slide, like there's up a bit on it. So if you see,
Okay.
Where did I just make a joke?
You can't stop me
Oh,
now.
my hair is in my eye.
by the way, it shows you outside.
No one. I will grab your monkey balls.
Hello.
You.
Oh, fuck.
See you outside.
I will. Nobody will.
I know where he is now, and I can get there.
Please.
You might want to run. I can get there.
Please, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm free.
Oh, stepsister.
Oh no.
There's some in my ear.
What would they do?
Oh, come.
What are you doing?
I love
I will get you.
Hey, baby. Oh my god, this guy.
Trick. What are you doing? Holy shit, my guy.
blue
I
son.
don't like it, Doc.
I love a blue monkey.
Ah, you stay away from me, G.
Isn't that right?
This is for Rachel beef. Oh, hell.
You can't stop me. Oh no!
But I can.
I just seen white monkey.
Want some divers? Here you go.
Oh, no.
Bill free, so free, dog. Zero.
In my asshole, smell like a booty hole. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm leaving this server. You guys are weird.
Ooh, yeah, I'ma come inside your bum. Yeah, I'ma come inside your bum. Whoa.
Shut up, lad. The hell?
Yo, bro, I was sitting down in my chair.
Oh, let
And
me
you
out.
rudely interrupted me and tried to grope me.
Me too.
Wait, let me go and check fodder. I'm beating first, yeah.
Let's go. No, I can go.
Guys, gosh, I'd like to die now.
I do not
Pick
like
y'all,
it.
that's y'all.
What about stuff?
I just played a scary game just a second ago.
Stupid.
And I thought this was not gonna be scary.
S-T-O-P?
Okay, you know what? I'll start.
S-T-O-P?
What's on the phone?
Yeah, and you press enter first. It has to be stop.
Okay.
S-T-O-P.
Why is it here?
You press enter first, so I know you're not
What
lying.
the fuck are you doing, miss?
I swear, bro.
How are you playing like that? I know the
Bro, I swear to God.
Enter.
Wrong server.
Oh, so you work on. Yeah, it's dark. 3, 1, 2. Yeah, it's dark. It's dark. Oh my God!
Whoa! This is sick. Oh, you better get running. You better get running.
Freaking God.
Hello.
Bam.
You're
Bozo.
stupid.
Fake mouth. Like day and night. You suck cock. You know that?
It says you.
You know. There's day and let's check different maps. Canyon.
Ah, ah.
No. Oh, Canyon is nice.
Let's see Canyon.
Oh, come and try the Molten map. The what? The dick map? No.
Hello.
Yeah, Molten. Molten. What's Molten? Oh, mountain. Sorry.
Mountain's nice. I've just been in a mountain.
I'm British.
I am.
British. Oh, so.
I'm British.
This is so cool. Wait. I
I'm
need to
not
see
tracking.
because I didn't wall start for a long time. Wait.
Fuck this
I'm
shit.
doing it bad. Wall surfing's got back.
Shut
Good. Why am I slow? Why am I so slow? I don't know.
Because she's bad at the game.
Let me try this. No, like I'm actually slow. Look. Oh, this is still working pretty well.
Hello, bye-bye. Ah,
Maybe you can still. Thank you.
can you hear me?
Can we play normal?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. I can hear J-Man Curly.
I'm not the real J-Man, by the way.
Normal tag. I know. Can we play normal tag?
Yep.
You speak, J-Man. My life's depending on it. So it will happen.
No, it's not.
Get purple.
Get
Who's going to be here? Lad, I'm British, that's why.
I'm gonna get your mama. Go to the forest map. Forest map. I'm coming. Better. Hi, Purple. The forest map. Forest map. It's not beautiful. And I love this new map. Really.
Hello.
Hi.
Get juked.
I'm on the
Hello.
forest map, so
Oh,
Get juked.
Lad, I juked you. What do you mean?
I'm slower game. I'm on forest map, guys. Guys, I'm going now. I'm getting off. Bye. Oh. Bye.
See ya.
Give me a kiss.
Nope.
Wait, don't leave. I'm going to give you a hug.
Which map are you in?
Kiss. Don't leave. I wanted to give you a hug. Let me tag him, guys. He's gonna
Hello.
give me a hug. You're gay.
Oh.
No. Left. Oh, the purple ones. Give me a kiss. Alright, bye. Okay. Give me a kiss before you go.
So everyone in forest.
Hug. Oh, wait. Hug. Do you want to add me first? I can.
Where's the other
Alright,
gorilla?
my name is Mason Hallier. No capitals and no spaces. Wait. Spell it. Mason. Wait. There's no capitals or no spaces. Don't worry. Just type it in. Spell it. Mason. What's that guy? Wait, guy. Я coś robię. Wait.
See ya.
Spell it slow. M.
Green.
Maybe my brightness is down.
Oh god.
Right.
Ah, you're lucky. Usually I never fail on branching. I'm kind of bad at it, but I never fail. Hello, Black.
That branch is slippery. Ow. I don't want to be the one. Let me just. In my bone, turn you like me. Never wish you could. Need to support. Please, give me a break. No. There's still a white left? Come after me. I don't know. Oh.
So that you can go after him.
Come after me. Also, there's two people chasing me. Oh my god, jump to that white branch there. Of course, he jumped to them branches. I think it was jump to that branch. I suck.
Penis.
I suck. I know I do.
Go on, Lucy. I've
penis
already
a lot,
done it.
actually.
It's fallen.
No, oh come on. I barely missed him. What's going on underneath? It's annoying.
that, fam. Get down here, fam.
Bayu, come on, fall.
Went the other way, hasn't he? Where is he?
Just jump off. Get in. Oh, come on. You shut up.
Try hard.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Jimmy OG.
Ow. Let me guess, White's the best player in the server.
Nah, bro. Leave. Bye. Give me the phone. Please. Can I have a look? I like this mask. Oh, thank you.
You can't do it.
Why? You're the sweaty monkey.
Hello?
This weird update all nighttime and everyone's wearing this.
My arms are aching. I was playing all night last night.
Why do always people think what?
Why do always people name self to J-Man Curly?
Because J-Man Curly's probably the bestest player in Gorilla Tag.
Like the body. So, I think the wall was... Oh, kind of.
Oh, you can. I'm yelling at the tree. I was about to get stung. And then I mean, this is gonna be that slippery. Easiest way. Fastest way. Bro, where is this thing?
Oh, no. Oh, good.
Nah, the fuck, man.
Guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Bye.